Ever been stuck trying to fix a problem with your crypto account? Exploding head, have you ever found yourself in the dark with a deposit that hasn't gone through, a withdrawal that's taking way too long, or a security issue that's got you stressed out? Well, you're not alone. When it comes to crypto exchanges, a platform's customer support can be the difference between a smooth experience and a complete nightmare. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Kraken's customer support in 2025. We'll be looking at what's working, what's not, and how you can get the help you need when you need it most. First off, let's talk about the good stuff. Kraken offers a variety of support channels, including 24/7 live chat, email support, and phone support. This is a huge plus, as having multiple ways to reach a human is essential, especially when you're dealing with your hard-earned money. Kraken also has a comprehensive support center with a ton of articles and guides, which can be great for solving common issues on your own. For those with a Kraken Pro account, you may even get a dedicated account representative to help with your questions, which is a major perk for high-volume traders. Chart increasing. Now, for the not-so-great part. While Kraken offers all these support channels, the quality and speed of the support can be a mixed bag. Many users report slow response times and unhelpful agents, particularly on platforms like Trustpilot and the Better Business Bureau. For some users, a simple issue can take weeks to resolve, especially if it's a more complex problem like a lost crypto deposit or a security breach. Response times can vary wildly depending on the channel and the complexity of your issue. Live chat is generally the fastest, with some users reporting responses within 5 to 15 minutes during off-peak hours. However, email or support tickets can take anywhere from 12 to 48 hours to get a response. For urgent issues, calling Kraken's phone support is often recommended for faster assistance. So, what's the takeaway? Kraken's commitment to offering multiple support channels is a step in the right direction. However, the inconsistency in their support quality and response times is a significant concern for many users. While some people have great experiences, others are left feeling frustrated and ignored. Woman shrugging. Ultimately, when you're dealing with a crypto exchange, you need to be prepared. Take advantage of their educational resources and try to solve simple problems yourself. But for the serious issues, be ready to be persistent and use every channel available to get the help you need. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.